Hey Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do your weekly reading for March 7th through the 13th. So let's see what's in store. And just a reminder, this is a general energy reading. So it's up to you to take the energies that come out in the cards today and apply it to whatever is going on in your situation. Ooh, okay. A lot more cards came out here than we've had the other readings. So let's see what's up here. Alright, so we have soul power, just ask, receive, self-sabotage, and vulnerability. Okay. What else for Sag? Okay. Interesting energies out here so far. Wow. Okay. The energies coming out in some of these readings has been very interesting in a good way. I feel like we are being pushed forward on our paths, on our soul evolution. Oh, geez. Wow. Okay. Saggy. Woo. Got some serious messages here. And it's interesting because the messages have been very serious, but not in a negative way. So we have soul power and kindred partnership. And so I feel like, especially because we have this self-sabotage card up here and vulnerability, Sag, it's really about you feeling connected with yourself, with your soul. Yeah, I mean, for some of this, now this won't resonate with everybody. For some, this is definitely a soul level, relationship, spirit. Oh my gosh. I'm having a total brain fart. Oh my gosh. The energies have been so intense. I'm starting to feel a little wiped out. Soulmate. There we go. There's the word. Woohoo! But for some of you, this is about stepping into your power. If you're watching my channel, you likely believe that, the soul is infinite and that we've had many lifetimes, many experiences. And it's about bringing all those experiences together and really allowing your true self to come out. And I feel like for some of you, you are going to be really stepping into that power. So we have courage and just ask. And I don't know, I feel like Sagittarians are not good at asking for help. They're very independent. They're very go alone. And so Spirit is really asking you to be sure, that if you need to, don't be afraid to have the courage to ask for help from your guides, friends, loved ones, passed on loved ones, source, angels, star family, whoever, whatever resonates with you, whatever term you use. Don't be afraid to ask for help. But this is interesting, and I feel like this goes back to the soul power. We have receive and healing light. And so again, I really feel this, you are really coming into your power and really starting to, receive the light, both of these cards are purple too, really receiving information in through your crown chakra. And you're starting to glow up a bit. You're realizing your potential and what you are capable of. Yeah, but it's interesting because there is a little bit of self-sabotage going on here. And it came out with a gratitude card, which is really interesting. I mean, it's like, it's just really strange. It's like, it's almost like you're totally capable of manifesting anything you want. But, and both of these cards are yellow. So really getting, solar plexus energy here. But you have to like realize what you're capable of manifesting. And like, the only person that can stop you from getting it is yourself. You're really the only one in your way. So if there's something that you're feeling unsure of, relationship, job, whatever it is, coming into your self-power even. But I feel like, no, I don't feel like it's that. I mean, that might be it for a few of you, but I don't think so with the soul power card over here. I really feel like it's like some kind of goal you're trying to achieve and you just think that like you're not capable of, or like it's just not meant for you, but that's not the case. All right. Ooh, vulnerability and transformation. And if you notice, we've got an emphasis over here on the heart chakra. And so, yeah, don't let fear hold you back. You've got to be vulnerable. It's some of you are going into the unknown and you're feeling very unsure about it. And they really want you to trust your intuition. This is a transformational process you're going through. It's interesting. This came up with a Libra. You're definitely going through a cycle. And it's interesting because I feel like you need to recognize your power, receive power, and know that you're capable in order to move through this transformation. I feel like these things could be holding you up from this transformation. So it's really important to stay in your personal power, ask for help if you need it. But this is, I feel like some of you Sagittarians are very, very powerful and capable of some really amazing things. But some of you might think like, oh, that's too fantastical, or there's no way I could do that, or that's just too much for my little, 3D self to realize, oh, yes. Okay, so I love that as I'm saying that, the Tower card comes out. So I feel like this thought process will come crumbling down. Like, it's interesting that lightning bolt's hitting the top of the tower, and it's like a moment of receiving and realizing and understanding the truth, and it's taking you to the next level. Oh God. Okay, I'm really glad that came out when I said that. I was starting to get a little worried. Ooh. Okay, Temperance. Sagittarius energy. Yeah, so as I was saying, you guys are just, some of you are very capable of some amazing things. And I like this Ten of Swords here. This self-sabotage crap will come to an end. So I feel like you will make it through this. These limiting beliefs, these things we talked about here, you're going to move on from this. You're going to find the truth of who you are. You're going to find that balance and realize that, you are capable of wonderful, amazing things. And it's not too fantastical. There are many options available. And I like how the sun and the healing light are right next to each other. Yes, it is time to shine your light. Some of you really have a healing nature about you. I feel a lot of real strong call for starseeds, light workers in this reading. I did a reading a couple weeks ago for starseeds and light workers about their mission and path. So definitely check that out because I feel like there's a lot of alignment in that area. Yeah, I love this Hermit shining his lamp right there under the Sun card. But we also have the Empress, so abundance. I always get a sense of very strong feminine energy from this. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. But access to the to the divine, feminine is very important. It's also very intuitive energy. Feminine energy is very intuitive, and I always love the little stars around her crown chakra. There's a lot of crown chakra nods here. So your crown chakra might really be coming online. You know, we talked about receive. You might really be getting some messages, some healing light. That Four of Wands, I mean, there's definitely room for celebration. I feel like you will feel balanced after you move through this energy and really start to find that drive, the passion forward. You're going to be like, okay, yeah, you know what? I am capable. I am ready. I can do this. Nothing is going to stop me. Nothing's going to hold me back. So yeah, and yeah, Two of Wands. I mean, you're going to be ready to blaze new trails, new paths, and yeah, it's wonderful. So I feel like what we talked about here is a thing for some of you, but you're going to work through that energy. You're going to find your power. You're going to be vulnerable and ready to make that transformation. So excellent energy, Sag. I really hope this resonates with you. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you have a fantastic week, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.